Hey, my friends, I am very excited to tell you that my very first book, The Path of an Eagle, How to Overcome and Lead After Being Knocked Down, is now available for pre-order on Amazon. I'll make sure that the link is available in the show notes below for you guys. So it's going to be so much easier to just go there, click on it, and pre-order your very own copy. The Kindle version will be available soon, so don't worry too much. When that does become available, I'll let you all know too. But the hardcover copy, which I am so grateful that it is going to become a hardcover copy, because, you know, hardcover copy books are incredible. There's something about them. They feel great. They look great too. And they feel like a book. But if you guys know the journey that it took to get this book, the 4-year-long crazy journey and roller coaster ride in and of itself to get this book where it is today, you'll know for a fact that I am so, so grateful that it is where it is today. And, you know, I guess you could say that I'm nervous, excited, all the amazing things above, but I hope you guys will get a copy of this book. And I really do hope that it helps someone that is in a stage at the moment that you feel like you can't get back up. I feel like there are a lot of people out there at the moment that need this book in particular. There's a lot of stories in here from my own life, from all the wisdom and the advice from people that I have been able to speak to and hear all their stories as well. And I've used that as a way to help you in the best way possible. I don't know about you, but when I read books and I get stuck on certain things and it just becomes boring and I lose attention. So what I wanted to do was write a book that I hope that none of you end up losing attention, and it's easy to read. You can absorb all of the wisdom and the advice that is in the book. It's an emotional, heartfelt story from some of the things of my life that I have been through that have tried to keep me down on the ground. There's abuse of all kinds, and trust me, I get vulnerable and real in the book. So some of the things you will definitely not know about me, or some of the things that I have been through, because I have not spoken about it before in my life. But I did that as a way to help you realize that, hey, I'm a human like you are, and we can all end up on this incredible healing path, which I call the path of an eagle, because we weren't made or created or designed to stay on the ground. Those challenges and those struggles that we experience, they are a good thing when we choose to allow them to give us the wind beneath our wings to soar upon in the air. And that is the point of this book. It's really to inspire you, to encourage you, and to help you in so many different ways to be the very best person in life. My purpose is to help you realize your worth and reach your full potential. And I really do hope that this book does that. One of my very first guests on the podcast, Andrew Scipione, said to me, "Jay, everyone is a leader. The choice is whether or not you want to be a good one or you want to be a bad one." And my hope and my prayer is that you choose to be the best leader for your own self, not just for other people's sake, but for your own sake. And so, my friends, I hope that you will be helped, and that you will end up joining me on the best healing path forward that I have been blessed to walk upon for a number of years and continue to walk upon in my life. And that path is, you guessed it, the path of an eagle. I'll see you there soon.